So you're trying to use your Apple Cash card to snag that awesome deal on Amazon, but something's not quite clicking. Let's get to the bottom of why that's happening. Here's the deal. Unfortunately, Amazon doesn't directly accept Apple Cash as a payment method, meaning you can't just type in your Apple Cash card info during checkout. But don't worry, there are still ways to use that Apple Cash balance for your Amazon shopping spree. The easiest workaround is to transfer your Apple Cash balance to your bank account. To do this, open the Wallet app on your iPhone, tap your Apple Cash card, then tap the three dots in the upper right corner. Select Transfer to Bank and follow the prompts to choose your bank account. Once the money is in your bank account, you can use your debit card linked to that account. On Amazon, just enter your debit card information during the checkout process like you normally would. Another potential option, although less widely available, is to check if Amazon accepts Apple Pay at checkout. If they do, and your debit card linked to your bank account is associated with your Apple Pay, you can use that method. So, while you can't directly use Apple Cash on Amazon, these workarounds allow you to still spend that Apple Cash balance on whatever goodies you're after. Now get out there and happy shopping!